Hi, so this is a quick video to show you how to set up a test session for your students after you've created an assessment in Illuminate. So you'll go to efschools.illuminated.com. No need to put the www. Just put efschools.illuminated.com. It'll give you this page here. You go over to the left margin, click Assessments, View Assessments, and there you should find the assessment that you created. So you wait till it loads. Now, if you created yourself, it'll be under My Assessments. If it was shared with you, it'll be under Shared with Me. Either way, you'll have the option to go to Action. So I'm going to go back to My Assessments. And there's my midterm, 7th grade ELA, Thorn. Action, I want to administer the assessment. And I want to administer it using a quick code. So I just press Test with quick code. And then an access code will generate, and all I do is give my students this access code here, and they use the same username they use for every Illuminate assessment. When they took science, when they took social studies, they use the same one, and they put in the access code. So if I click this, it gives me student-friendly directions. All the students do is go to illuminate.online, and then they put in the access code. Once they do that, they can start the assessment. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to come and let me know.